Good morning to one and all present here. Heartfelt welcome to architect Biju Kuraikose sir to preside this event as a chief guest. Welcome, sir. I welcome our beloved secretary and correspondent, Alhaj Segu Jamaludeen sir. Welcome, sir. Our beloved CEO, Mr. Mohamed Salegh sir. Welcome, sir. And our beloved trust, thank you very much for making this happen. Education is about growth, not just about grades. You have adopted and grown in difficult time, which has undoubtedly enriched you and added to your academic success. At this point, I want to implore my graduates to always see yourself as a good ambassadors of this society and never allow selfish interest to blemish the integrity you have nourished over the years in this college. I just want to add few prayers which always we make it a point. I asked for strength. God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom. God gave me problems to solve. I asked for courage. God gave me danger to overcome. I asked for love. God gave troubled people to love and help them. So when I get problems, difficulties, it means my prayers were answered. So my dear fellow graduates,
and correspondent Alhaj S. Segu Jamaludeen to honor our chief guest, architect Biju Kuraikose.
To stand before you today to introduce an exceptional individual whose remarkable contributions to the field of architecture have significantly influenced the design and construction in our industry. It is my pleasure to introduce a visionary architect and urban designer, architect Biju Kuraikose.
The college, and most critically, congratulations to all the graduating students. I just want to say that if you think that the tough time is over, you have some news for you. It is the fun time is, you must have figured out it's an extremely complex profession, you know, and so which is also part of the excitement with the profession itself. And so I was thinking, what should I tell the graduating students, you know, because I've been practicing for the past 25 years, different parts of the world, and for the past 15 years in Chennai, and I'm still learning. And I think when I say tough time is ahead, that's what I meant by saying that you're learning. You have not learned anything till now. And one of the beautiful thing about architecture profession is it's a continuous learning. And so you are entering into a world of negotiation. So I just want to say a few words about the idea of negotiations, you know. Because that's what a practicing world is. You know, it's important to understand that the practice of any art form involves certain negotiations. An art form is never practiced in its pure form. I always say that a person who sits to write a book has to write the book within certain number of pages. You know, I can't create a book which goes on for this, where your true true personality comes in. And what is most beautiful about a profession like architecture is that through those negotiations, you will slowly start to discover yourself. You start to understand who you are as an architect. What are your beliefs? What is your ideology? Even if it is not expressed very clearly, you will start to unlayer all of these things themselves. I often say, as architects, we construct ourselves. We go into the world and start learning and understanding the world, and we have to slowly construct ourselves, because my work is a reflection of how I constructed myself. What is my values? What is my beliefs? And it all of them will take time. It's a tremendous amount of experience. You may be from all construct yourself, take your time, develop yourselves.
Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. The most awaited moment has come, yes. Now it's time we acknowledge the talent of our budding architects. The fruit of hard work and discipline will finally be reaped. You will now be receiving your prized degree, a symbol of accomplishment. May I request our HOD, Professor A.J. Paul, to call upon the graduates in order to come receive their degrees, which will be awarded by our distinguished chief guest, Architect Biju Kuraikose.
Graduate with first class distinction, Architect Niveda S. Graduate with first class distinction, Pranavika K.S. First class distinction, Sri Vinayakapriya V. Anushya N. Apsara Sharin A. Batul Nisma K.M. Fatima Hasna Sahima J. Gayatri J. Harita Shri S.S.